In this video, I'm going to cover the Windows dashboard software applications that came with the Real Estate Lead Magnets package. And what I'm going to do in this video is just basically show you one of the examples. The process is exactly the same for all three dashboards. Okay, so the first thing we need to do is just hit the brander. We're going to click that brander application file. Now, the reason why we need to brand it, first of all, if you open it up and you have a blank screen like this, all I do is click this button right here, this one up, and you'll be able to see your RE-1 here. That's the file that we need to brand. All right, so we're going to go ahead and click on that, hit open, and that's going to open up your brander. Now, this is the branding tool, and what you do with the branding tool is basically enter in all the links as to where you put your files. Okay, so the package that you purchased has a ton of things like postcards. You don't have to give away all the postcards. You can give away one. The free report, obviously you have to brand it, and you would have to brand it and zip file it. Okay, put it in a zip file and then upload it to your server or put it on Dropbox or Amazon S3. But you have to zip it and put it somewhere like on Amazon or on your server. Okay. Now, I'm assuming that you know how to upload files to a server. You can put them in WordPress. You can put them anywhere you like. Okay. So what you're going to be putting in here is simply the link to those files. So if my file was located here, okay, my postcard file, the straight download link, okay, I'm going to go ahead and put that straight download link. Let me show you what it would look like if I use a Dropbox link. So I have a Dropbox folder on my desktop, and I have some files in it. So if I open that, we'll go to the public file, and let's just say I have this template here. Okay, and I'm going to grab the public link, and then I'll go ahead and give away that template. Okay, so that's how it works. You just put your zip files in to all these areas. Here we have our contact form. So you can, depending on what you have on your consultant site, maybe you have a page. And just put that in there. Maybe you have a page. I don't know if that goes in my contact form, but we'll see. A page that has a free consultation and explains everything about your business. That'd be a good idea to have as a consultant, right? So you'd put that down there as the consultation or contact form. All right. We're going to go ahead and go to, so in here, just so that you understand, you've zipped up your files, you've uploaded them to your server. The software just works basically as a portal or a landing page or a download page for everything that you have. Okay, so let me hit the registration settings. Now we're going to require a registration setting. All right, and our code, I'm going to put something in here that's really simple for now, but you can put a long code in here. Just make sure that you remember where the code is, okay, and what it is. Put it in a safe place. Because once you lock this software, you need that code to unlock it. Okay. Now, the registration or register URL, you can send them to a page on your website where they have to register. You can send them to a contact form, and you can do it manually. You can do a whole bunch of things. Okay. Now, if I wanted to just send them to a contact form on my website, so I can go ahead and use a page like this. That's just a plain contact form. Now let's just say I had a page where I actually want to drive them to a page where they have to put in their email and autoresponder. So let me show you what I have set up inside of Aweber that will help. Alright, so I'm inside of Aweber, and I'm going to show you, this is a form that I have set up. Let me go ahead and save my form. We'll go to step 2. Now, once you get to the publish section in Aweber, it'll ask you if you want to install your form, web designer, or have Aweber host it. Well, Aweber can host your form for you, and I can go ahead and use this link here and put that right in the registration URL. And you'll see in a minute what that looks like. Now I can have them go to a default browser, or I can have them open it in an internal browser. So for this demonstration, I'll show you what that's like. I'm going to put an 800 by 800 window, okay? And I'm going to, here's my registration, here's the code. Let me hit done, let me hit brand. Okay, once it's done, that's it. The branding tool is worthless. Let me open it up and you can see what this looks like. Okay, you can see that right away I have been prompted to enter a registration key. So if I don't have a key, and you can see right here, this is the page that I set up in Aweber. It's being hosted by Aweber. Enter your email address to get your software registration sent to your inbox. All right, so they would fill in their email, secret squeeze page, right? That's what that's working at. And then they're going to get their code, and they're going to paste their code right in there. When they click OK, that's going to unlock the software. All right, pretty cool. Once they click on the links, this is the postcard link. I actually have my browser over on this side, so that opened up into my website because that's where I had it going. Let me go ahead and go free report. This is probably going to go to a Dropbox link, and there it is. There's my Dropbox link. All of these are actually set up to go to Dropbox, so you can see that. There's the Dropbox. All right, and then lastly we have our free consultation. So I may have put in the wrong email address. Let's see. Well, it went to Contact Legend. This is a promo that I did, but it went to a page on my website, and that's where I wanted it to go. Typically I would have it go to this contact form right here so that they can sign up for their free consultation. All right, it's very easy to do. That's pretty much how we do it. And that's it. In the next video, I'm going to show you exactly how to, get all of these files that we put together here, these files, and put them in one neat little dash, one neat little file. All right, in this part of the video, I'm going to show you how to get these all into one file. What I'm going to do is I'm going to highlight all of the files, and I'm going to use a product called WinRAR. WinRAR, R-A-R. So you can go ahead and grab WinRAR. You can grab a 30-day free copy, or you could probably find a lot of free copies around the internet. Now what I'm going to do is create an SFX archive, and there's going to be a PDF form in this download area that you can also use to go step by step. So let's create an SFX archive. Let's hit SFX options. Let's go ahead and run after extraction. We're going to run this RE-1. All right. We're going to go to modes, click unpack, and hide all. We're going to go to text and icon, and we're going to locate this icon. This is what we want showing in our desktop. Click open, click OK, click OK. And now you can see that it made a file called RE-sample. Now that's the exact same name that I gave the folder. That's what the name is. So you can go ahead and pull that out of your folder, and you can go ahead and rename it whatever you like. Okay, so if I wanted to call this just RE, rename marketing dash. Okay, I can call it whatever I want. So, but this file now will load up just as a .exe file. The reason why it didn't show the registration page, or didn't get prompted for the registration form, is because we already filled it out. All right. So, but on your customers, they're going to get prompted. And that's it. Now I have a folder or a file. I can zip this file, upload it to my server, and then use it as a giveaway. And just give away this file and let people who want it register it. That's pretty much it. That's how we take care of the dashboards, by adding our links, setting up registration, and putting them into one neat little file so we can give them away. Take care.